G'day guys, today I want to show you guys a super easy camp oven dessert that pretty much anybody can pull off. So what do you actually need to do this recipe? Well, first up, you're going to need a camp oven. There's your camp oven. Thanks for that, no worries. Alright, cool, so now that we've got a camp oven, what else do you need? Some Nutella and also some puff pastry sheets. Let's get started. Okay, so all we need to do is grab out one of the sheets of pastry, grab a cutting board, and now all we need to do is cut it into 3. Just like that. Wait, get off my pastry. Okay, once you've done that, all you need to do then is just cut it into a triangle. Just like that. And just do that for all of them. Awesome. Now all we need to do is get our Nutella. Now you can go way overboard if you want to with the Nutella, it's completely up to you. But just stick some Nutella right there. I might put a bit more than that. I'm not a diabetic yet. Okay, and then all you need to do is just peel this plastic backing off. Okay, now we just need to roll it, so just start rolling it. Bam! And just like that, you got one done already. So now let's just go ahead and do the other ones, and then we'll chuck them in the oven and get it cooking. That is probably way too much. So we've got our little chocolate croissants all ready to go. That took me a whole 3 minutes to do, I think. I've got the trivet in the bottom of the camp oven. Just to save on cleaning up, I'm going to use some baking paper in the bottom. And here's a little tip for you guys to make it sit in there really easy and nicely. Just scrunch it up, pull it apart, and just put it in the base like that. Now, normally what you do now is coat the little chocolate croissants in egg, but I'm going to try something a little bit different today. I'm just wondering if I coat them in icing sugar, if it'll make them virtually caramelize. So I'm just going to give it a shot as something different, see if it works. I guess we'll find out soon. If I had a sieve, it would be really handy right now, but I don't, so what do? This is going to be sugar overload. All right, I don't know, it might work, it might not work. It's just something I want to try. Now, how easy was that? Our miniature Nutella croissants are all ready to go, so let's get them cooking in the fire. So I've got quite a few nice red hot coals here. I'm going to chuck a stack of coals on the lid, maybe put it, probably not in the fire because it'll probably burn, but just close to the fire, a couple underneath, and we should be good to go. So we'll check it in about 10 minutes and see how it's going. Oh, they're getting there. Probably, I don't know, another 5 minutes, see how they're going after that. So they should be just about done now. They've been in there for about 15 minutes. And what I've been doing, because it's close to the fire, every now and then just turn the camp oven so that the fire heats up that side. So let's have a look, see how they're going. Oh, a little bit burnt on the top, but I reckon I'd say that's just about done. Let's eat. So I reckon I put a little bit too much heat on the top and not quite enough underneath, but it's all a learning experience. All in all, I reckon they look pretty good. They're only slightly burnt on the top, so I'm going to leave those for a couple of minutes just to cool down, and then we'll try one. Let's give these a shot, see how they taste. That is actually really nice. That is really, really tasty. So there you go guys, super easy camp oven dessert. It's literally 2 ingredients, puff pastry and Nutella. How simple is that? And egg on the outside or icing sugar. Did the icing sugar make a difference? I'm not really sure, to be honest, but either way they taste awesome. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you guys in a different video. Catch you later. So are you gonna eat them all yourself or give me one? Go for it, mate. They're actually really good. Seek adventure!